Guys, my name is ABC, and today I'll be sharing with you the lashes that I got from Wynkk lashes. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please kindly subscribe, and I am very sure you enjoyed my posts. Thank you very much. So today I'm going to be sharing with you the lashes that I got from Wynkk lashes. There are a lot of them. She sent them to me. I didn't buy them. Let me be honest about that. So she sent them to me. They are very affordable. Lashes are very affordable. I'll put the prices below, and I think these designs are the Mink lashes, and they are very beautiful. I've worn lashes a couple of times. They're very comfortable. That's another thing I noticed about them. They're very comfortable, and the designs are very lovely. I have two of my two designs here that are like my best, like my always go to. I think that is the Give Them. This one, I'm going to come closer to show you what they look like. That's Give Them and Slay Queen, you know, and I love those two. But then she has some that are really dramatic. Like if you like drama, you want to, you know, they're very plenty. You know, she has them here as well. So let me come up close and show you what they look like. So this is the Eyeconic. So this is the design for the Eyeconic. You can see it's paste and it's a bit long, so it gives you that drama that you want. Then this is the Slay Queen I was telling you about. I love the Slay Queen. I love the way the Slay Queen, it's fuller, and then the lashes are very close together. Yeah. Then I have another one here which is badass, and it's really badass. Imagine having this on your lashes. This is really dramatic. This is for the drama queen. I think this is really drama. Yeah, it's really long. Then I have Savage. This is what the Savage looks like. This Savage looks a bit decent. You know, it's something I can actually wear. You know, it's fuller. I like the way the beauty from the beginning, you know, to the end. It's really nice. Give Them. I like this Give Them too. Give Them is very, like, it's close to one of the natural ones she has. You know, it's not so much drama, it's just there. Then I have this other one in the black casing, which is like this. This is also drama, and this is really nice as well. So I'm going to put on my favorite lashes to show you what it looks like and how it wears. You know, I already have makeup on, but I have no lashes. I'm going to just put it on. In between Give Them and Slay Queen, I like this. These are my two favorites. The Slay Queen, I like the design for the Slay Queen, is full, and then this is the Give Them. I like Give Them because it's light and not so full. Okay, so like I said, this lash line is not for the faint-hearted. It's you have to be bold, sassy, you know, to be able to wear this. So she also has two lash glue. This is what they look like. She has it in this white and black. You know, so this is how they open up. The white is clear. Can you see? It's actually clear liquid. Can you see? So the white is clear, while the other one in the black bottle is like this. So focus. So that's how the other one is. So there's clear and then there's color, and then it's slightly scented. So nothing disturbing though, you know. It's scented. So just it's harsh. If you open it initially, it's only this clear one. It's a bit harsh, but just give it a breather, like a minute or two, and I don't move it too close to your nose so that it doesn't choke you or something. So I'm going to Give Them on my lashes. I have my tweezers here, so I'm using my tweezers to apply it. Okay, so I know you guys already know how to apply those lashes, but I'm just going to be, you know, putting it on so you can see how so clamp like this, like that, and then I put the glue. You come close. Oops. glue. Just like that. Generously. Then I leave for a minute or two to dry. I can blow if I want to. And then I just apply. So you can also use the tweezers to do that, but I'm so used to using my hand. So that's what it is. That's what we have. Just leave them. Okay, so that's give them one eye. So this is the Slay Queen lashes. This is Slay Queen. The design. Okay, so I'm going to use the black glue on this one instead of the white one. So I'm wearing two different lashes because I want to show you what they look like. One on my right, I have the Give Them, and then on the left that I'm trying to apply now, I have the Slay Queen. So I'm sure that the edges are well. So I go. Sorry, I'm not used to using tweezers, so I just use my hand. Okay, so I'm done now. So I have two different lashes on my eye. On my right eye, I have Give Them. This is what it looks like. I have Give Them on my right eye, which is this one. Then on my left eye, I have Eyeconic. On my left. On my left I have Eyeconic, which is this one. It's a bit more flared out and dramatic. That's Eyeconic. This is Give Them. So I have two different lashes. So whatever texture you want, whatever finish you want, you know, this and this So they have in their collection that the lashes are actually very comfortable. I like the lash glue too, but I think for the lash glue, the dry down time is a lot, you know. So I still feel it sticky, you know. I like when I put the lash glue, it's within 2-3 minutes I'm done with it. I don't have to worry about, you know, going back and forth to make it tacky and all that. But aside from that, you know, it's a good one. It's very comfortable. As you can see, I'm blinking and it's not making me cry, and very easy to fix by yourself. So thank you guys. I'll leave a link below. Please kindly patronize her, and then if you, she has given me a discount code, so I'm going to put the code below. So if you're coming from me, automatically you get a discount, you know, so that you can, you know, also enjoy the lashes because they're very good. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please kindly subscribe, and I'd like to hear from you. Which lash line are you currently crazy about? You know, Nigerian brand, foreign brand, whatever brand you have, just drop the comment below, and then I will definitely try my hands on them. Till I see you next time. Bye.